I picked up some spooky items on my shopping trip to Dollar Tree. Look at these treat bags. Aren't they awesome? I like them. You get 6 bags per package, and I did pick up 2 of them. The approximate size are like 5 by 8, so this will work for my idea. I also picked up some party favor syringes. You get 4 syringes per package. Not sure what to do with it yet, but I will have it when I need it. Now, look at these napkins I found. The new napkins for this year. I like this. This says, pick your poison. Isn't that awesome? You get 24 napkins per package. And they're 13 by 13s. So I picked up 2 packages of this here. This one, I only found 1, so I went ahead and picked it up. Look at that. It's a book with a skull on there. Isn't that neat? You get 16 napkins in this one. They also had this one. This is the haunted house with the moon in the back. Look at this. You get 16 napkins in this one also. And then I also picked up this one. This has a bat, and I think this is like a grave, a stone in the back. I'm not quite positive what it is, but look. So you get 16 napkins in this one also. And then the last napkins that I picked up are these. This one says Miracle Cures. It's a cauldron. Isn't this neat? I like it. You also only get 16 napkins in these. So I'm happy I found all those napkins. I also picked up this one. This is a zipper seal bag. You get 25 bags in these, and they're about 3 by 8. This one, look, I'm going to spread this out. It's a little wrinkly, but this is what it looks like. It says Spooky Season Eek. So I got 1 package of those. They also had these plates. They're glow-in-the-dark plates with bats. And you get 4 plates in here. Now, a while back they had one of these, but it was in the platter size. Hopefully you were able to grab one. But I'm happy that they have it in the plate size. It'll work really good for projects. And I'm happy that it's a glow-in-the-dark plate. This year, Dollar Tree is carrying a lot of glow-in-the-dark items, so I'm happy with that one. I also picked up 3 of these greeting cards. It says it's Halloween, and it's got foil skeletons. Look at that. See? Hope you feel happy right down to your bones. Yeah, I like these. They're so cute. Oh, look what I found. Oh, I don't know. Can you tell? See what's wrong with him? So I only picked up 1. I got this one. I got this one. Look at the back. It kind of disappeared, right? So I kind of have to like, ooh, look at this. Look at the eyes. Isn't that spooky? And then I also found this one. Isn't that creepy? Oh, goodness. Yeah, I like these. I like that one. The little creature in the back. And then look, I know it's kind of large, so I'll show you in the screen, but I found the stackable skull trees. Look. Isn't that neat? Look, you got all three pieces in there. And then this is what it will look like once you stack it. See there? I almost bought the stacking skull. Look at all the skulls on there. I want to repaint them and then give it some definition. I think it'll look really good once I do that. You know, do a little shading between the skulls. It'll be fantastic. I also found these. They're wooden potion bottles. Look at this one. This one says raven feathers. They're very thick, so they stand up very easily. And they're about 3/4 of an inch thick. See there? And they are about 8.5 inches in height. But I like this. I got that one. I also found this one. This one says bat blood. Nice, right? There was this one. This one says witch sprue, and it's purple. Look at that. I like it. And then this one. So I only found 4 of them. And this one says pumpkin ale. So yeah, so here we go. Let me line them up. See there? These 4 is what I found. I will put them on my shelves for Halloween. I also decided to pick up one of these. This is a tabletop sign. It says $125, but I paid $150 for these. Look, it says trick or treat. I like this one. They had other ones too, but I wanted the trick or treat one. I like the orange and the black with the pumpkin on there. Now, I wish that they had a little bit more design on the pumpkin, but this is fine. I'm happy with it. I'm glad I found this one. So this one is a little bit, so I got 12, 18 inches long by 3.5 inch on the width size. So I like that one. I also found this. Look, it's a chalkboard, and it comes with its own chalk, or you switch that out and use your own colored chalk. And I got this so I can put a menu on there for my kitchen. Look, and I can use it year after year. Nice, right? Or you can use it as a gravestone, and then you put your own message on there. I also found these. They're faux books, but look, actually, like a wall decor. It's got a hanging thing if you want to hang it up, that is. So this one is the Coven Diet for Witches. So over here it says elixirs, and it tells you what the elixirs are for, and it lists ingredients. And then the toad in the jar, it's another piece set on there, so it's like it gives that 3D effect. But whoops, there we go. Isn't that neat, right? And then there was also this one. This one says Hazel's Book of Venom, Oils, and Incantations. And then on this one, the middle jar right here, it's a 3D piece on there. And then over here again, it tells you what this thing does. all the stuff right here. And then it gives you the ingredient list on this side. But yeah, I only found the two, so I don't know if maybe there's another one out there. But it looks really good. You can just take this, put it in a book stand, and fantastic, right? I also picked up 2 packages of pins, Halloween pins. I want to make a little project for my trick-or-treaters, and I needed some pins. So I love to give out pencils, but I have not seen the pencils this year, so I don't know what they're going to look like. But in the meantime, I went ahead and picked up some pins, and I like these. They're so cute. You get 12 pins in here. Perfect for journals, right? Look at this. Nice. Yeah, I like those. So I got that one. Oh, and then look what I found. This is a new necklace. I have not seen these before. Well, I've seen the skulls and bones, but still, it was a different color is what caught my attention. You get this silver, a black, and a blue skull and bones. So they had other ones too. They had like bats, they had pumpkins. There was one more. I don't remember what the 4th one was, but I picked up 4 packages of these necklaces so I can use the skulls on here. I like to break these apart and use the pieces for other projects. So I got those. I also found this. I don't know if they had this last year. Maybe I just missed it, but this year I went ahead and picked it up. Now this comes in 2 different colors. They have this orange one, and then they also have a green one. I picked up the orange one, and it's 9 feet of garland. So it's black, and then the tips are orange and then they're, glow in the dark tips. See there? I picked up 3, and I'm on the hunt for 3 more because I want to put this around one of my doors. I want my door to have that glowy in the dark feel, so it'll look fantastic. Yeah, I like that it's a little bit on the thick side. Look at that. Past few years, when you get these garlands, they've been like really sparse. But this year, look at that. Look how full that looks. So it's fantastic. I'm happy with my new garland. Last few items I picked up are for DIYs. I picked up this doll. I needed a girl doll, so this is what I found at Dollar Tree. She is, let's see, about 5 inches tall. So, a good size, right? Look. So to go with this project, I picked up this. It's a dog. You see there? Isn't that cute? I got one of those. I also picked up this. This is a horse playset, and I want the horse out of this kit. I love the blue hair on this horse. I got that one. And then to go with the horse, I picked up this girl. It's a Monster High figure, and I like it. Oh, see, grab the horse again. Look, they both have blue hair. So cute. So these 2 are going to go together. And then the last item I picked up is their Pastel Preppery Pastel Bon Chic. It's aesthetic wall collage kit. I think it's their poster cards. They're 4x6. And I picked up 2 of these. So, let's see. I have some phrases here. Spread love, see good in all things, good vibes. Growth isn't linen? No, I don't know what that says. Anyhow, hello gorgeous. Tomorrow is a new day. Oh, strawberries, do it for yourself. Some bows. Books. Oh, this is cute. Look at that. It's got books and a little floral and nice. Oh, coffee. Tea. Oh, this one's cute too. They're kind of like portraits, right? Look. Oh, I like that blue and white one. Cherries. Rock. Books. Butterflies. Flowers. Oh, here, more bows. More flowers. Butterflies. A camera. And the last 2 are prints. But look at that. Isn't that neat? Yeah. And these cards, they have that glossy finish, so just be aware of that. I hope that I was able to show you a few items when you go to Dollar Tree. You can take a look to see if you can find them. I'm quite happy I found all these different napkins. I really like that one. So when I went to the store, I was really looking for this one, and these were a bonus. I like those. Those are really, really, really nice. I'm quite happy with that. You know, sometimes you go to Dollar Tree not meaning to buy certain things, right? Does that happen to you guys? Yeah, things just start jumping in my buggy when I go to Dollar Tree. I like this. I'm happy with everything I found. I will see you next time.